black pepper mint melon omelette or black pepper hash gourd omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the hash gourd recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried egg recipes. Today we are going to make pepper winter melon omelette. We have taken around 100 grams of winter melon or hash gourd, peeled and cut into pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Cover the mix. Cover the mix. The eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces while mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix the black pepper. The winter melon pieces to the egg mixture. Mix, thoroughly mix. Mix the winter melon pieces thoroughly with the mixture until all the pieces are nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now pour in the veg mixture into the oil, into the pan. Let it fry. Close and let it fry. Let the omelette fry in medium to low heat. Now turn over the omelette and let it fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Low heat. Now the black pepper winter melon omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper winter melon omelette or black pepper ash gourd omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the ash gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the dinner recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.